To like. He likes the video. He likes the video. To know. She knows him. She knows him. To answer. She answers him. She answers him. To show. She shows him something. She shows him something. To put. I put the money on the table. I put the money on the table. To call. What do you call that? What do you call that? To explain. He explains something to her. He explains something to her. To mean. That means a lot to her. That means a lot to her. To ask. She asks something. She asks something. To let. We let him play. We let him play. To pull. They pull together. They pull together. To read. She reads a book. She reads a book. To leave. He leaves the house. He leaves the house. To get. She gets a package. She gets a package. To look. She looks good. She looks good. To feel. She feels great. She feels great. To lie. The baby lies in bed. The baby lies in bed. To travel. They travel together. They travel together. To remember. He remembers everything. He remembers everything. To talk. They talk together. They talk together. To win. She always wins. She always wins. To forget. She forgets everything. She forgets everything. To live. I live here. I live here. To search. I search for something. I search for something. To buy. She buys a coffee. She buys a coffee. To tell. He tells a joke. He tells a joke. To open. She opens the bottle. She opens the bottle. To sit. They sit in the park. They sit in the park. To close. I close the door. I close the door. To wait. He waits for a friend. He waits for a friend.